The seventh part of this module focuses on career paths and profiles within the realm of energy efficiency to help you reflect on how you can apply energy efficiency knowledge and skills in your own career path. This part explains some of the career trajectories related to the energy efficiency sector and the multitude of job opportunities within public and private sectors and across types of industries, and how energy efficiency skills will be of increasing value to you and potential employers. There are many types of businesses and professional roles in the energy efficiency marketplace. This chart describes some of the possible job markets, competencies, and job types in the energy efficiency industry. Building construction is a big market sector within energy efficiency. Certifications that one might seek include LEED and BPI, and this industry can lead to someone becoming a sustainable construction manager, or an engineer, or a green construction consultant. Residential remodeling is another important job market, as many of these firms are increasing energy efficiency practices that are integrated with their remodeling solutions. Some sample job types here are residential home builder or remodeler or general contractor. Many nonprofit organizations conduct energy assessments or support them and are another important sector in the energy efficiency job market. Some job types include community organizer and program manager. Many utilities also invest in energy efficiency programs that are suited for their unique markets and climates. They need policy analysts, energy engineers, and program managers with energy efficiency knowledge. Some government jobs can include policy evaluation of energy efficiency regulations and technology innovations and adoptions. Positions such as policy analyst, program manager, or government program analyst are available in the government job sector. In the private sector, markets like energy auditing firms, energy service companies require knowledge and skills in energy assessment practices. Possible jobs include energy auditor, energy engineer, energy modeler, program engineer, or project manager. Looking past careers directly related to energy efficiency projects, there are many careers that support energy and sustainability markets. Community organizers and NGOs and nonprofits are strong advocates for energy literacy and policy within neighborhoods, states, and at the federal level. The technical knowledge provided by the NELC can be a powerful boost to a passionate individual working in the nonprofit and community organization fields. Green and sustainable construction practices are becoming the standard in the building industry. New credentials like BPI and LEED are important complements to individuals working in this field and require expertise in energy efficiency and sustainability technology. Skills and specializations in this career path include indoor air quality expert, commissioning agent, and energy manager. The need for engineers and manufacturers to design and create energy efficiency products is also on the rise. Skills in these technical fields can greatly benefit from practical knowledge of energy efficiency systems and buildings and the client relationship skills that are cultivated in the NELC program. There are some important careers to keep in mind beyond those directly related to energy efficiency in buildings. As energy costs continue to rise, an increasing number of energy efficiency improvements will become attractive investments for homeowners and building owners. Because these investments have the potential to save money over time, and because many of them are advanced through policies and incentives, they need professionals with finance and accounting expertise to help design cost-effective energy efficiency programs and financing models. Also, many federal and state programs support energy efficiency. The design and interpretation of energy policies and laws is also an important role and requires legal professionals to have knowledge of energy efficiency. Individuals trained in finance and accounting and law can set themselves apart with their knowledge about energy efficiency opportunities and make contributions in the energy efficiency job market. It's also worth noting that just about every business and human activity takes place in buildings and requires energy. Knowledge about energy efficiency is increasingly valuable to companies and organizations around the world who will value employees that can be leaders in the design and implementation of energy conservation practices and policies in their organizations. Here are some specific ways that your knowledge and experience might benefit your current and future employers. You'll be able to help run programs and facilities more efficiently, help your company save money on energy costs, increase positive impact on communities by being good stewards of resources, support compliance with energy regulations at federal, state, and local levels, and impress and attract customers who expect organizations and companies to be environmentally and socially responsible and sustainable. Figuring out your career pathway is something that takes time and thought. From startups to established businesses and corporations, the industry is changing to adjust in the growing energy efficiency market and creating new markets for energy efficient technologies and renewable energy across the globe. Through your experience with the NELC program, you'll gain an understanding of the broad dimensions of energy and sustainability and how to overcome some of the challenges of our transition to efficient and clean energy resources. Hopefully, through the NELC, you'll learn more about your niche and potential career paths. To review, this 7-part module began with an introduction to the NELC. Next, we discussed the overall vision and purpose of the program, and we took a closer look at the nuances and challenges of the home energy efficiency marketplace and the delivery of home energy audits. We then took some time to understand the mission and objectives of the NELC program and how they try to respond to those specific challenges. Part 5 provided an initial overview and introduction to servant leadership concept, which is applied in the NELC program. We then shared some quality assurance programs in the marketplace that help make sure energy auditing is done well and in ways that are in the best interest of owners and consumers. Finally, we talked about career paths and profiles related to the energy efficiency market and career trajectories that might be ones you would choose to pursue after completing the NELC program. Hopefully this module has introduced you to the many unique features of the NELC program, and you'll be able to move forward with a better understanding of how you'll fit into these activities.